guys, everyone. Hi. Oh my god. I'm so sleepy today because I just completed my classes, and yesterday was a complete crazy day and adventure day because we did something crazy. We went to Genting Highland. We don't know, we didn't plan about it. My seniors just planned, do you guys want to go Genting? I say yeah. Yeah, of course. Yes, let's go. I thought it was a joke, something, and then say they want to go eat somewhere. Eventually, we went to Genting itself. Yeah. So today we are going to explore Genting Highland. fun, right? Yeah, so fun, very fun. It's completely amazing in the night, the sky world, the lights, the color, and the clouds. I was in clouds yesterday, inside the clouds, so cool, mind-blowing, peaceful, you know. We have to submit 4 assignments in 2 weeks, and I was so stressed, oh my god. And then once they say wanna go Genting, them all. So we went, we enjoyed, we came back like 1 o'clock, slept, and morning 9 o'clock class. So sleepy today, but it was a fun day though. Yep, it was really fun day, and see you guys next week, I guess. Yeah, see you guys next week. Peace. Very tired, right? I know. Just don't mind it.